Hi, this is Susie. Today we're going to be talking about spider plants and their care. This one I had for a while. I put it by the sink now so I can take better care of it. It likes it over there. I can keep an eye on it better, and it gets a lot of steam and humidity from the warm water when I do dishes and stuff. Spider plants. Another name for spider plant is Chlorophytum cosmosum. Flibbity floppity floobity. I can't pronounce it too good, but I'll put it in the show more box below. Provide them with well-drained soil and indirect light, and they will flourish. Water them well. Do not let the plants become too soggy. It could lead to root rot. So spider plants prefer to dry out between waterings. Another thing I love about spider plants is their spider plant babies. These spiderets start out as small white flowers. Just root them in soil and you'll have some more spider plants. If you begin to notice browning of the leaf tips and leaves, don't worry. That is quite normal. This is often the result of fluoride in the water, which causes salt buildup in the soil. It's good to give them a thorough watering to flush out excess salts. Let the water drain out. Repeat as needed. You can also use distilled water or rainwater. So I enjoy this plant, and I'll be showing up my other plants and how to care for them. This is Susie. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now. Oh, and if you have any questions or anything, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer your questions for you. Bye-bye.